Yo, what's up, y'all? We're back here on the channel at the garage getting some work done on 3valve swap. We did some updates, some stuff broke we had to fix, and we're about to show you where we're at. So this is a 3valve I've been messing around with. I've had it for quite a while now, and we're about to button it up. Right now we're waiting for the battery to charge so we can check for leaks. But this is my trunk. Nothing special, as well with this little simple bracing just for kicks. Batteries in the back. So we installed tubular support from mafracing. I painted it silver. It turned out all right. It kind of got messed up when I cleared it, but it's covered. I should have just paid the extra money to get them both powder coated and wouldn't have to deal with anything. But you can see we got the fuel tank back in. My straps are kind of crusty. I want to eventually get new ones. We fixed the frame piece, and then after I put some undercoating on it, I touched it, so I messed it up. But I fixed the rust. Frame's fixed. Then we put a coat of paint, high temp paint, on the calipers just to help it out a little bit. We got the mufflers on. The mufflers are on. I don't got no clamps on the back tailpipes yet, but I just got turn downs. As you can see, some more Flowmasters, a little bit of a custom H pipe, and some custom long tube headers. And with the panhard bar, we weren't able to run tailpipes at the moment because they would hit. So we got turn downs on it for the meantime. Can't start it up right now because the battery's dead and we're waiting for it to charge, or I might have to get a new battery. But I got a pretty basic setup in the rear, some SVE upper and lower control arms, some oversprayed springs, I think they're BMRs, and a SN95 5-lug conversion, disc brakes, nothing special. And the panhard bar on there. But we're gonna be buttoning her up soon. We're gonna get the wheels back on it, get the back bumper on it. And you can kind of see the fuel filter up there. I think it's just a Jegs fuel filter with AND lines connected. Just a regular 8.8 373s. And then you can kind of see the SVE uppers. We got an aluminum drive shaft on here. Safety loop, T45 trans, the Stifler's cross member. I think factory trans bushing. And this is what the exhaust is looking like. Had the weld hangers on. Held the weld these together. You know, my welds aren't perfect. I'm no professional, but they'll do. No holes. And that's the line where the vet valve went to. I can't really see it. And then the fuel lines, this is where I gotta check the leaks whenever I'm able to prime it up and then start it. But we're about to get the wheels back on, which they're sitting in here. These are the wheels. 18s, and these are the tire size I have all the way around, front and rear, 18 by 9s, and those are the tire size 245 40 18s I'm running. And I did this years ago, 3valve swap. I think it might sound a little bit louder now with the turn downs, but we'll have that in another video. But you can see some of the basic stuff I got. Saline underdrives, 2-valve header with the 3-valve flange, and you can't get them anymore when they made them. I got the Ford Racing control pack for the 3-valve. That's what this running on now. Came with this intake, the pedal, harness. And we're gonna switch some things around in here. I'm gonna reroute the fuel lines to make them come out back here into the regulator. Probably mount the factory coolant tank in this area. And I gotta fix some strut towers on this. So this is what the 3-valve's looking at like. Just finished cleaning it and detailing it and buffing it. So yeah, there you have it. A little bit of update on how the 3-valve's coming. Stay tuned for them strut tower repairs, and we're gonna have to pull the motor. So keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and peace.